Okay, hopefully the lighting is okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can probably tell, we are in my car in the garage. There's probably some tools hanging there in the background to give that away. And we are in the car because today you guys are coming along with me for a little adventure. Now, thank goodness this camera does provide some amazing smoothing effects on my face because I am a little worse for the wear. You might not be able to tell, but like my eyes are really swollen. Full disclosure, I did cry last night. I am okay. Hopefully everything will be fine. My cat is at the emergency hospital right now, so please say some thoughts for him. Hi guys, it's Future Heather here, just checking in to give you a little update about my cat. Yes, the beanie stays on. You do not get a sneak peek at my hair here in the future. But as far as my cat being at the emergency vet goes, he is back home. He is okay now. Basically, he just had to get a checkup. The issue was we came home and we noticed that his nose was bloody and like maybe his eye a little bit. And I thought maybe his brother had gotten him, but it turns out the blood was just coming from his little kitty face, so we had to stay up all night and wait for the emergency vet to become available because they were at capacity, and we took him the next morning, and it turns out he's okay. He likely just had like a little cold or maybe just like kitty allergies, and his nose got all dry on the inside, and so he just had a nosebleed essentially. We've been pampering him since he's come home. He's been curled up in his blankie with my humidifier next to him, looking very pampered, and the vet said just using the humidifier next to him will really help him make sure his nose stays nice and moist so he doesn't get another nosebleed. So he's just fine. It was nothing serious, just allergies or a cold, and I'm very grateful that everything turned out to be okay. Thank you for sitting through this update on my cat. If you did, I really appreciate you caring enough about him to watch to hear. But now let's just get back to my hair chopping off adventure. I'm sure by the time this video goes up, he will be a-okay, but I had a little bit of a long night. I am a little worse for the wear, and I'm gonna need a little Red Bull to get through this day. But luckily, what we have on deck for today is very relaxing, very calm. I'm actually going back to see Amanda to get my hair done. I did do a previous video showing when I go to my friend Amanda to get my hair colored pink. I showed you that process, how I do the upkeep on this, so if you'd like to see that, I will link it up above. But today we are doing something a little more drastic. Today, I will be chopping all my hair off. Yes, all of this you see will be going away. And I will be having someone very special to join me. And it's May! Hi. There she is! Yeah, so we're both at Amanda's right now. And what are you doing to your hair today, Miss Lady?
I'm getting a shag cut and I'm gonna bleach some stuff. Here's a picture of it, maybe.
It's gonna be beautiful.
I'll try reference photos, but yeah.
Bing! Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're just sitting outside, and I think it's just about time for our appointment, so let's go inside. We did the cut, looking fresh. Does it feel a little lighter?
Yeah, actually.
Excellent. May looks like some kind of anime pirate. How do you feel, May? How does the bleach feel?
Like, I feel like an edgy character.
Right? I can't, you are just made of foil on this side.
I'm a little crispy.
It's cooking though, y'all. Ooh, it's so blonde. I love when I get my hair bleached and my hair is slicked back. I look like Draco Malfoy. Oh God, it's everywhere. It's a massacre. Delicious.
Juicy.
Yes, like a stew. Towel, babushka. So excited to see that bleach. Oh, look at it. You literally do look like Narcissa though. Oh, that bleach. It came out really well actually. And
so
no
excited.
no gooey, like stretchy hair. It's because Amanda's amazing.
At that, quite frankly. I was like, it's gonna crispy.
Boing, 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 boing. So beautiful.
So fucking I'm so excited!
Yay, queen! Gotta get some pictures.
Absolutely. Should I like, I don't know if I should like turn to the side.
So cute, a queen. Okay, so we just got finished up at Amanda's. All my hair is gone and I love it. I'm so excited about it. But I think the real star of the show has to be Miss Mayfield over here. She looks amazing. Oh my God, let's see the tail over here. You are like living your best scene life and you look amazing. Thanks. Yes, of course. So what we're gonna do now is head back to May's place and like I wanna try to get her partner's reaction to her on camera because he's gonna like poop his pants. She's so cute. So let's go do that. Let's go freak out her mans.
You can't turn around until you get all the way around the stairs. Like you have to get to the bottom of the stairs and then you have to turn around and look, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna face the wall.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Whoa! So cool!
Wow.
Okay guys, we're going to end our fabulous hair adventure here. I'm gonna go home and show my husband and just keep staring at myself. And May, you look so beautiful and fantastic. You can go see more of her hair on her channel, which I will have linked below. Make sure you check that out. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Bye!